trending bullish with key patterns and positive sentiments. Progressive Core, PGR, presents a bullish picture with a strong base consolidation, indicating steady accumulation. The stock is adhering to an upward trend, suggesting sustained buyer interest. Key technical patterns include an ascending triangle and a hammer candlestick at the trend line, both bullish signals. PGR has gapped up, reinforcing the positive outlook, and is currently positioned above key support with no immediate overhead resistance, indicating potential for upward movement. However, a slight negative news sentiment tempers the bullish technicals, warranting a cautious approach. Always conduct your own research before trading. Brown and AMP, Brown Inc. BRO, displays a bullish V-shaped recovery and has recently breached a key resistance level. The stock is now approaching the median line of the pitchfork, often considered a potential area of equilibrium and a target for price movement. With a positive news sentiment at 0.5, BRO's near-term outlook seems optimistic. Investors should monitor this pivotal pitchfork juncture, as sustained price action above it may signal further upside. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, shows a bullish double-bottom pattern with good volume backing and solid earnings, suggesting a potential trend reversal. The stock's correlation with broader market trends should be monitored, as it may significantly influence AMD's price action. With a moderate news sentiment of 0.3, the outlook is cautiously optimistic, but investors should keep an eye on overall market sentiment for further cues. This is not an easy stock to trade. Subscribe to Quant Sync Substack. This is not financial advice.